Hey, welcome back to the channel. Please remember that while I did work as a dealership master technician for 17 years, I'm currently in no way affiliated with any automotive manufacturer. All opinions expressed are my own, and any and all trademarks are the property of their respective owners. Today, I'm going to show you how to replace the wiper refill inserts on this 2024 Toyota Prius. On most Lexus models and Toyota models, you can replace just the wiper rubber refills instead of having to replace the whole blade, and it's significantly cheaper. Now on the Prius here, there is like a service mode to put the wipers up. You don't have to use it. You can just reach over and get the blades off that way, but I'll show you how to put them in a service mode, and I will proceed from there. To put the wipers in the service mode, you first need to either start the vehicle or just turn the ignition on by pressing the button twice. So now, either with the vehicle running in ready mode or ignition on, you turn ignition off and then press and hold up on the wiper stalk for a couple of seconds. And there you go, the wipers are now in a service position. Now we can remove the blade from the wiper arm. Use a small flat blade screwdriver and lift up on this latch right here, and then lift up the arm a little bit and slide the blade down and take it off in a downward direction like this. Now you can place a towel or a rag underneath so you don't scratch the windshield, and you can go ahead and replace the actual wiper refill in this blade right Let's take a look at this wiper blade. So as you can see, it's curved, and that's to follow the curvature of the windshield. Another thing you'll notice is one end of it here, it's kind of a skinny thin end. It's just a uniform width, the same as the rest of the wiper refill, but this end, it's thicker, it's wider, so this prevents the wiper refill from flying out that way. Now we're gonna grab it. We'll hold it right here. This is the thick part. And just hold the wiper blade, hold the refill, and slide it out. It's gonna slide out in this direction. See, that's the fatter end. And just slide it all the way out like this. Now see, it's curved. And now we have two metal inserts inside here. And that's what gives rigidity and shape to the wiper refill. And you just pull them out. So there's one. And there's the other, and you can see on one end they have two little cutouts, and on this end it's got nothing. It's just straight, and then same with this side. It's got the two cutouts, and then this side is straight. Now grab your new wiper refill, locate the fat end with a little hole here. Take your metal insert, and the part with the cutouts goes in a fat end like this, and make sure you have it curved the proper way. Obviously, if it's curved backwards, it's not gonna wipe effectively. And you're gonna take the other insert, install it in here like this, and you take your wiper refill, or sorry, wiper blade, and you insert from this side. So the side that has the opening for the clip, that's where you insert it from. And now we're just gonna go like this and slide it down so that see here we have a little boo-boo. It's not in the groove properly. There we go. So sliding nicely. Okay, now that it's here, you see how this little hole right here is exposed. That needs to slide so that it engages with this little hook right here. And you can just grab it and slide it down. So now the hook is engaged in a little hole. Same on this side, and just check and make sure that these hook retainers are in this groove right here and nothing is kinked or bent out of shape. All right, so this looks really good. Now we can go ahead and install this wiper blade back. To reinstall the blade, lift up on the arm, Lift up this tab right here a bit. Insert the arm hook in, slide it up, and latch this until it clicks. Now you can go ahead and replace the other side wiper refill. The blade comes off and goes on exactly the same way, and the whole procedure is done in an identical manner. And you can check the links below the video for where to find the replacement wiper refills for this model. And to exit the service mode, you just turn ignition on and just operate the wipers one more time, and then that exits the service mode. And that's it. Wiper refill replacement is completed. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you'd like to see more Toyota Prius maintenance and repair videos. See you next time. Cheers.